Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is talking about how to add image overlay with text in SwiftUI. Okay, the first thing you need to do is you need to have an image available on your Mac, and you can import it into your Xcode project. And as you can see, this is the new project that I just created using SwiftUI, and you need to import the image to the asset folder right here. As you can see, I have an image file right here. It's called image. So what the next thing you need to do is go into the content view.swift right here. Okay, and here is the default file that we create a SwiftUI project. You will see this file, the content view.swift right here. So now what we need to do is go into create a image overlay view by using struct image overlay view that extend from the view class. And the next thing is body, and we need to create a body. And now we need to use a set state. This state is the set coordinate that you can align the element by layer. Okay, now we use set state keyword and open bracket, and what we need to input right here is tag element by using tag. Keyword right here and open and put the string inside the double quote right here. For example, I'm using the IKA Forever Studio for the tag view. And what the property we need to put is font. What font we can use? We can just call out or something like body or caption or headline, but I'm using the body font. And the next thing I need to put is a padding. For the padding around our tag, I'm using 5. And the next thing is color. For foreground color, I'm using a white color to the tag because I need to view the tag as. And another thing is the background color, and I can use the keyword the background color of our image overlay by using keyword background. Okay, sorry, I put the wrong place. I put right here the background, and I need to put the color black by using color.black right here. And the next thing is opacity. Opacity, I'm using 0.7 to make it a little bit transparent. And another thing is a corner radius. I need to put the corner to my image overlay text by using a 12. And the next thing is a padding around my image overlay view. I'm using 10 value, and now we already have an image overlay. So what we need to do next is going to our content view drag right here and just delete the text and put the stack v stack, you can say vertical stack, and put an image and put our image name that we already import in the stack folder. We can call image, and the property we can use is a resize bar to resize our image, and put the content mode to scale to fit. And another thing is overlay, that right here we need to input our image overlay view that we just create into overlay property right here, overlay function right here, and we can say overlay, as you can see like this. And another parameter is alignment, and what we need to align our view inside the image. So I can put a bottom trailing, so it means in the bottom and trailing place. So another thing is I want to put a spacing by using the spacer function. And the last thing I want to put is divider. We can put divider right here to separate the line between element in the vertical state. Okay, right here. So now we're done. So let's build and run to see the result. Click resume right here, and Xcode will build our source code and preview in the canvas view right here. And now we're loading. Okay, as you can see, this is what it looks like, that we just create an image overlay right here, as you can see. And now I can put padding, some padding around the image by using a padding property right here. Okay, I can put 5 value, and as you can see, it has a little bit spacing around the image view. So we can put the button leading, it will show in the leading bottom space, and you can put the top leading, and it will show on the top leading, as you can see right here. And another thing, we can put the top trailing, and it will show you on the top trailing. And if you put the top, it will show on the center. Okay, right, it's so simple. And actually I like the bottom leading, it's looking great, so we put right here. So now I want to duplicate the element to 3 element to make it look great. Okay, right, as you can see, this is our demo, and thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. And if you have any questions, you can comment below this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have a question or you want to download the source code, you can check out our video description, and I will put the link in the video description. See you in the next video.